Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to bloom text in the Messages app on your iPhone. It's super easy, so let's get right to it. First, open the Messages application on your phone. Then, pick a contact you want to message. Now, just start typing out your message. Okay, now for the fun part, formatting. Double tap on the word you want to apply the bloom effect to. You can adjust the highlighted area if you want to select a different part of the text. Next, look above the P key on your keyboard. You should see a Format button. Tap on that, and it'll take you to the formatting page. Now, simply select the bloom option. Boom! The formatting is applied. You can now continue typing your message in the subject area or just go ahead and send it with that cool bloom effect. And that's it. Your message now has that awesome bloom formatting. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more quick fixes and easy guides. Thanks for watching.